AI tools were quietly making money for people just like you, sitting in the USA, working from home with no fancy degree, no huge investment, and number 10-hour workdays. Now imagine knowing that most people still have no idea these tools even exist. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how ordinary creators, freelancers, and even complete beginners are using AI to build real online income streams, and why right now is the best time to start before this opportunity becomes overcrowded. If you've ever felt stuck, confused, or overwhelmed by online earning ideas, stay with me, because this video might completely change how you look at making money online. Before we go any further, if you enjoy content about AI tools, online income, and smart digital opportunities, make sure you like this video and subscribe to AI Income Hub. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells YouTube to show you more videos like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let me be very honest with you. Making money online in the USA is not about luck anymore. It's about using the right tools at the right time. AI has leveled the playing field. Things that once required teams, agencies, or years of experience can now be done by one person with the right AI tools. And the best part is, companies in the USA pay very high rates for AI-powered services, which means higher CPM, higher client budgets, and better long-term income. Let's start with one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly AI tools people are using right now to make money online, and that is AI content writing tools. Businesses in the USA are constantly looking for blog posts, website content, email newsletters, product descriptions, and social media captions. Most business owners don't have time to write, and hiring traditional writers is expensive. This is where AI steps in. With AI writing tools, you can create high-quality content in minutes, then sell it as a service. You don't need to be a perfect writer. You just need to know how to guide the AI properly and edit lightly for clarity. Many freelancers are charging anywhere from $50 to $300 per project, sometimes even more, depending on the niche. Imagine doing this for multiple clients every month. What makes this even more powerful is that you can specialize. For example, you can focus on real estate agents, dentists, lawyers, or e-commerce brands in the USA. These industries pay premium rates. Once you understand one niche, your workflow becomes faster and your income becomes more predictable. This is exactly the kind of strategy we talk about on AI Income Hub, where smart systems beat hard labor. Now let's talk about something that's exploding right now: AI video creation tools. Video content is king in the USA, especially for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and ads. But creating videos used to require cameras, lighting, editing skills, and confidence on camera. AI has removed all of those barriers. With AI video tools, you can create faceless videos, promotional videos, explicable videos, and even YouTube automation channels without ever showing your face. Businesses are paying thousands every month for short-form video content because it drives sales. You can offer video packages, monthly retainers, or even create your own monetized channels. Think about this. One AI-generated video can be reused across multiple platforms. A single client can turn into recurring income. Once you build a system, you can outsource or automate most of the work. This is not just a side hustle. This is a scalable online business. Another incredibly powerful category is AI tools for graphic design and branding. Small businesses in the USA are always looking for logos, social media posts, ads, thumbnails, and branding visuals. Traditional designers charge high rates, but they're also slow. With AI design tools, you can create professional visuals in minutes. Even if you've never designed before, AI guides you through the process. You can sell logo packages, social media bundles, or even offer branding services to local businesses. Many people are earning full-time income just by combining AI design with basic marketing knowledge. Now, let's move into something that's very underrated but extremely profitable: AI voice and audio tools. Podcasts, audiobooks, ads, and training content are booming in the USA. Companies need voiceovers, narrations, and audio content constantly. With AI voice tools, you can create professional-sounding voiceovers without hiring voice actors or recording studios. You can sell narration services, create audiobooks for authors, or even launch your own faceless audio channels. This works especially well for people who prefer working quietly behind the scenes. Let me pause here for a second and say something important. If you're still watching, that means you're serious about learning how to make money online the smart way. Drop a comment saying AI income, so I know you're part of this community. It also helps this video reach more people who need it. Now, let's talk about AI tools for automation and productivity, because this is where real leverage comes in. Many businesses in the USA are overwhelmed with repetitive tasks like emails, scheduling, customer support, and data entry. AI automation tools can handle these tasks easily. If you learn how to set up basic automation systems, you can sell this as a service. Businesses don't care how it works, they care that it saves them time and money, and they're willing to pay very well for that. Some people are charging monthly fees just to manage and maintain AI systems for small companies. This creates predictable, recurring income, which is the dream for any online business. Instead of chasing new clients every month, you build long-term relationships. Another powerful way to use AI is in the world of online courses and digital products. AI can help you create course outlines, scripts, slides, workbooks, and even marketing pages. If you have knowledge in any area, fitness, finance, cooking, productivity, or even hobbies, AI can help you package that knowledge into a sellable product. The USA market loves online education, and digital products have very high profit margins. Let's not forget AI tools for e-commerce. Product research, ad copy, customer support, and even store design can now be handled with it. Many sellers are using AI to launch and scale online stores faster than ever. You can either build your own store or offer AI-powered services to existing sellers. Both paths can be very profitable. Now here's where everything comes together. The people who succeed with AI tools are not trying to do everything at once. They pick one tool, one skill, and one audience. They build confidence, results, and then scale. That's why channels like AI Income Hub focus on practical strategies instead of hype. AI is not magic, it's a multiplier. If you use it correctly, it multiplies your effort and your income. If you've found value so far, make sure you're subscribed, because upcoming videos will go deeper into each tool and show step-by-step strategies. This channel is built for people who want real results, not shortcuts that don't last. As we get closer to the end of this video, I want you to think about something. 1 year from now, AI will be even more advanced. The people who start today will already have experience, systems, and income streams in place. The people who wait will be trying to catch up. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Before you leave, I want you to comment below and tell me which AI tool excites you the most. Writing, video, design, automation, or something else. Your comment helps build this community and gives me ideas for future videos. And if you know someone who wants to make money online in the USA, share this video with them. You never know, it might be exactly what they need right now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting AI Income Hub, and I'll see you in the next video.